Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. You know what I got right here? I have a box full of goodies. This is the 12 Days of Sigma. Here it is. I'm really excited to get in here and show you what's in it. Door number 1. Oh, well, looky there. It's a sponge. Let me go get it wet real quick because that's the only way I'm going to be able to tell you. Because my fingers know by the squishiness of the sponge whether I like it or not. Hang on. So there it is. It's all wet. And this is a peculiar shaped sponge, isn't it? It would definitely get into corners really well. See how porous this sponge is from e.l.f.? I just use this, of course. You see, even though this is a black sponge, you can see that it's not very porous. You know, it's not really squishy like this e.l.f. one, but it's not really hard either. It is a really weird shaped sponge, but I think I'm probably going to like it to apply powder, so I'll have to get back with you on that. That's probably one of the few things in this box that I've never used. Behind door number 2 is this little rose gold, little travel size, easy to crawl up on your mirror and use. This is the E38 diffused crease brush. Behind door number 3, I love this mascara and I have been waiting until I get through some of my other mascaras to buy this because I'm done buying like tons of mascara, and then 2 years later they're still sitting over there waiting on me to open it and getting old. But this is fabulous. I can't open it up and show you because then I'd have to start using it, but it's the Sinew City Lash. I love this. This is a great mascara. Behind door number 4, what do we got? Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. You know what I do when I do my brushes? I put like one on this side of the sink, one on this side, one on this side, and then I squirt the soap all the way around. And then I just work my brushes all the way around. And this is so cute because days like today, I'm going to go in there. I'm going to put this in the sink and wash the little brushes that I used today. Oh, I love that. I didn't even know they had a tiny one. I love that. Behind door number 5, what do we got? We got a little thing of their shampoo for the brushes. Number 6 is right there. It's little. Let's try and do it together. 1, 2. What is it? Oh, it's something tiny. Okay, I got it. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. So recently I just got this in Ladylike, which is brown, and I was going to buy this in black, which is Wicked, and yay, I don't have to now because I got it. Number 7 is a big one. What do you think it is? What do you think is in number 7? It's a little tiny travel makeup bag. Oh, isn't that cute? I had this, remember? And I said I was going to put it in my purse. But when Diane won the Sigma stuff, I went ahead and I sent her my little one and the little brushes that were in it. Because I have so much. You know, I wanted to be able to bless her socks off more. Number 8. Oh, it's the little teeny eye brush. Oh my gosh. I'm like a kid on Christmas, right? Number 9 is what? The brow gel, Tint and Tame brow gel. Putting all this stuff over here to the side. Number 10 has this in it. What is it? It is the eyeshadow base in Bubbly. Bubbly is a rosy pink one, so you can use it as a base and it can also serve as eyeshadow. The one I love a lot is Ignite. Obviously I didn't look at the picture, so I don't really know what's behind all these little doors. And oh yeah, looky here. Number 11 is a liquid lipstick in New Mod. I don't have this one. And number 12, what is it? What could it possibly be? Oh my gosh, it is the F80 in Rose Gold. So yay, yay, yay. That went quick, right? Thank you guys so much for being here to watch me open up my first Advent box of makeup. Thank you, Sigma, for sending it to me. And yeah, there's quite a few things in here that I already am blessed with. So I'm going to put a few of these things over in my little stash thing I got going over there for a giveaway. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. What are you going to do? What are you guys going to do after this? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I don't see how, but I hope that you guys enjoyed that anyway. Tell me below, do you guys have Advent calendars? Do you guys actually do them on the days they're supposed to be done? Or are you a little cheater like me? I hope you guys know, always remember that you're the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not having a blessed day, be a blessing to somebody else, and watch that turn right around. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
It's this 12 days of Christmas. It's not either. No, that's not what it is. Let's just get in here because I've been a good girl. Oh, what was that? Oh, go look. It's a card from Sigma. It says, Dear Mary, we love you more than anyone else in the whole world. Don't tell anyone else we said that. See, hold it. I feel like I'm on a game show here. Let's look behind door number 1 and try and guess the value of whatever's behind door number 1. Do you guys know what is behind door number 1? Me either. Alright, if you like it hard, then this. Door number 3. Yay! Alright, I feel like it's Christmas morning already. I can't get this out of here. Give it to me now! Gosh, look. Well, that went fast, didn't it? What? You're cheating on me again. Stop with the candle already. Huh. How's that? I'm gonna put almost... What are you doing now?